English conversation practice.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Emily. My name is Emily.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm from New York.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 30 years old. I'm 30 years old.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I work as a marketing manager. I work as a marketing manager.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 older sisters. Yes, I have 2 older sisters.
What are your interests? What are your interests?
I enjoy painting and yoga. I enjoy painting and yoga.
Have you traveled to any interesting places? Have you traveled to any interesting places?
Yes, I've traveled to Thailand and France. Yes, I've traveled to Thailand and France.
What's your favorite cuisine? What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Italian and Indian cuisine. I love Italian and Indian cuisine.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets. No, I don't have any pets.
Where would be your dream vacation destination? Where would be your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Greece. My dream vacation destination is Greece.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and going to the beach. Yes, I love hiking and going to the beach.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a morning person. I'm more of a morning person.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I adore the colors of autumn. I adore the colors of autumn.